Hello, I'm William A. Van Horn, MD, a geriatric neuropsychiatrist who created the Alzheimer's Journey. The Alzheimer's Journey is my story about working with thousands of wonderful individuals and families who are dealing with all stages of memory loss. I wasn't willing to settle for what doctors settle for, which is there's nothing you can do. The truth is there's a lot you can do. So I took an aggressive, innovative approach with multiple medications to energize the brain, to restore the neural networks. Those are networks of chemicals all through your brain that start dying over time. To restore those neural networks with proper medication. And I saw astonishing results. With an Alzheimer's patient, the brain is like a boat that is sinking. There's multiple holes throughout the boat because the brain is dying over time. And most doctors, if they do anything, sometimes they don't do anything, they just say nothing can be done. If they do anything, they plug one hole in the boat. I plug all 5 holes in the boat, and all of a sudden you see the brain start coming back in a wonderful way. Not that it's cured or not that we cure the disease, but we make dramatic differences with the proper medication. The Alzheimer's Journey is the battle plan to show you how to reduce your risk of Alzheimer's. If you keep your brain alive and healthy, as long as your heart, you never get Alzheimer's. The Alzheimer's Journey also will teach you that if you start to lose memory, and if you live long enough, everybody starts to lose memory because your brain is dying just like my brain is dying. If you live long enough, you're going to start losing memory. And the earlier you start medications, the more profound the benefits, because the reason you lose memory is the cells are dying. So if you start medicine when you still have your memory cells and feed those memory cells, those cells live longer, your memory stays around longer, and hopefully you can avoid disability. And finally, the Alzheimer's Journey, if you have a loved one who's suffering with advanced Alzheimer's and who's miserable, you can't relate to them, they can't relate to you, I will give you the medication protocols to energize their brain, to bring back their pleasure, and to reestablish dignity in their life and a relationship with you, a wonderful relationship. And I saw these relationships with hundreds of patients, followed them for years, that will last until the end of life for the person you love. The Alzheimer's Journey is your opportunity to win the war with Alzheimer's disease. Thank you for taking the time to listen.